what's up guys, it's your boy Jonesy again, and we're back just for a quick little overview of a new charging cable I got from my iPhone, my XS Max. I did a couple videos on the XS Max of the case. My couple videos ago or whatever, just search, I did a review on this case. Very nice. But this cable caught my eye because it has a battery built into the cable, a rechargeable battery, and I didn't really necessarily need it, but I figured I did need a new cable though. I needed another cable, so I figured I'd just get something a little different. And this cable, I'm gonna plug it in right now, and you'll see that it pops up charging. That's pretty cool. So it's charging right now. The little battery icon, if you could see. Let's see. You could see it's charging indeed. So it's a 800 milliamp hour battery. 800 milliamp hour battery. And so you'll probably get like one charge out of it. I wouldn't know, to be honest. This is more like a backup cable for me because I already have like one of those, you know, portable charging packs. It's about this big. You can charge your phone charge this phone probably about 4 times. So this is more for like emergencies. If I forget to charge my battery pack, or if I end up not able to recharge my battery pack if I'm away, or you never know. But it's a cool cable to have. Yeah, I mean, go pick it up. It's on Amazon. I think I got it for sale, like 10 bucks. It might be a little more now, like maybe like 14. Now, I'll try to find the link. If I can't, then you can just search it yourself. But there's actually, how it charges is obviously this end hooked into a USB outlet, or a USB connection on your computer, or a wall outlet. But I mean, that's it, man. I think it's a pretty cool looking. I've never seen something like that up until now, so that's why I picked it up. But for sure, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit me up. I got a Patreon too. Hit me on Instagram, Jonesy. I'm probably the only Jonesy on Instagram. Please follow me up there. I follow back. That's about it. But hey, thanks for watching.